What's up, you ATC 70 freaks? Andrew from McNasty Customz. So I decided to do an unboxing today of a Piranha 140 ATC kit that we offer. So it's a full entire kit, which this is a 190. It's a full entire kit that we offer for the ATC 70. But this right here is our suspension frame. It's a brand new frame rebuild with a swing arm. Completely brand new from McNasty Customz. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so you can see we have a bunch of stuff laid out here. So guys, if you haven't been paying attention, we are offering plate kits that go on a stock ATC 70 frame. You trim out the back of your frame and you put our swing arm there and you will have rear suspension. We have axles. Here's a piece of a swing arm right here. We have axles, axle kits. We're making our own carriers. We have 4-lug hubs, wheels, tires. So we're going to be putting a few of these together, but we are a Piranha dealer with all the motors, as you can see. 190s, well, 90s, 140s, 190s. So this is the big boy right here. This is the 4-valve Piranha 190. It makes 25 horsepower. We offer those. We can sell you any of this Piranha stuff, any of the Piranha stuff, exhausts and so on, and we can give you discounts off of our frames. So if you buy a Piranha motor kit from us, we can give you money back off some of the products we make. Here it is right here though. This is the full ATC 70 kit in this box. This will be everything you need. So let's open this thing up. Oh, this is the outside box. The inside box is also Piranha on them, with the numbers of the motors and everything. Let's get this thing opened. So let's get this thing opened. This is the exact box that will show up for the ATC 70 kit. There's a couple extra pieces in here, I believe, that I added. But we'll show you exactly what comes with a kit. And when we tell you it's a full kit, it's a full kit. It's everything you're going to need to transform your ATC 70 into a 140 kit with electric start. So let's see. Let's get some of this out of here. I don't really want to make a mess, but I'm also holding the phone with one hand. So some of the extra things we got. This is an exhaust header pipe. Wow, it's actually very heavy. Exhaust header pipe that we ordered separately, but there will be a bunch in this bag. Actually, this comes with a, I don't know what that is yet. This comes with a bunch of stuff. Oh, so here's another header pipe. So this looks like this is the header pipe that's going to come with the 70 kit. Oh, here's the expansion chamber part of it. I can feel that. I don't know. This is another piece of a pipe. I don't know. Whoa, looks like you get a t-shirt. Oh, yeah, you can get a t-shirt. One of these is going to be the carburetor. There's a shifter. Some electrical. And this in here is the motor. Let me get this out of here. Okay, so we haven't opened the box yet, but some of the stuff that comes with the ATC 70 kit. This box here is your battery box. It's actually very heavy. Stainless steel battery box. This comes in the kit. This is your header pipe for your exhaust. This comes in the kit. Very nice stainless header exhaust. There you go. In the kit comes foot pegs. Here is your Piranha number. And I haven't opened them yet, but you can see they're stainless steel as well. I know this video isn't going to be the greatest. I'm holding the camera and trying to do all this stuff together, but I don't have the tripod set up in here. So let's strip this one down. Look at that. That is your stainless steel pegs that come in the kit. That's your battery box that comes in the kit. This is your exhaust header. Let me see if I can pull this out of the bag real quick. Ooh, it's a strong bag, huh? Oh, well, whatever. I'm not going to pull it fully out, but we can get a good look at it. There is your exhaust header. That comes in the kit. There's your exhaust bolts and your gasket. So we have 2 more bags before we open the motor. This is your throttle cable. Comes in the kit. Here is your intake. Your intake and gaskets. And here is your foot shifter. Is that your, yeah. There's your shifter. So here is your shifter. Piranha number. Here is your intake and gaskets. Piranha number. So all of this comes in the kit with the motor, and then we still have this bag here, which I have no idea what's in there yet. I think maybe the exhaust, the back of the exhaust. Oh, yeah, definitely. So let's open this up. Flip it around. This is your muffler. So there are your foot pegs, which are very nice. Your stainless battery box, your intake, your shifter, your exhaust mounts, and then your header pipe, your full exhaust. So that looks like that might be all that's there. Now let's open the motor. Let's get into this thing, huh? Oh. They come packed really nice, so you shouldn't have any damage. I don't know. That's the motor number or whatever's on it. That might be a shipping label. I'm not sure. So here's some of the box numbers. And here we are. There's your front sprocket cover. Goes on the motor over your sprocket. Here is your motor. That's what it obviously looks like in the box. And you can see we have additional boxes. So I'm assuming this is your carburetor. So let's see, is there part numbers on here? Oh, I don't see any part numbers on the box itself. Then we open it up. Here is your cup. Oh, yeah. We got a little something right here. Here is your carburetor. Pretty shiny. So that is your carburetor coming in the brand new box with your kit. And we have something down here. Oh, exhaust flange. So there's the exhaust flange and bolts with a part number. That comes with the engine. Oh, I see something down here. Must be Kickstarter. And then this is your complete wiring harness. This is your relays, your harness, your rectifier, all the way up to the start button on the handlebars. This gives you everything you need. Let's see what else. Oh, here's your actual intake itself. So that's okay. So this is the intake that will come with a Piranha motor. And this must be the intake that you need for the ATC 70 swap. So this must be able to, let me see if I cut this open real quick. So again, here's your part number on this one. Yeah, ATC 70 manifold says right on it. That cut, let me pull this apart. See much of a difference. we got here. And like I said, sorry that I'm holding this with my phone. I'm just trying to bang this out real quick because I actually need to install this thing. And I figured I'd make a quick video. So, the ATC 70 intake must be slightly different. I'm not sure why, but okay. Totally different. This looks like a TIG'd stainless steel intake. So this is the one that comes with the motor, and this is the one that comes with the ATC 70 kit. Again, we have a bunch of gaskets for this stuff because you're kind of getting two kits with that. Let's see. This is, let me pull this out of the bag real quick. Look at that. So that is your front sprocket cover. Now let's get to this motor. Look at this motor. Let me put you down and pull this motor out. All right, guys, and there is your motor. So your motor is a 140cc Piranha motor with electric start and backup kickstart. So it comes with the Kickstarter, it comes with the dirt bike shifter, and it comes with the ATC 70 shifter. So you get a bunch of extras. Let's look at the motor going around. Motor intake is sealed off. ATC 70 style sprocket. Piranha on this side of the motor as well. Spark plug. Starter. So let's go over it real quick again. You are going to get for $999.85 shipping. You will get this shipped to your door. You will get the electric start Piranha motor ready to install. Kickstarter. You will get the battery box to hang on the three-wheeler wheelie bar. You will get the ATC 70 pegs, stainless steel, and very nice. You will get the stainless steel ATC 70 exhaust with the muffler. You will get the carburetor with 2 intakes. You will get a throttle cable, so you will have to use your original throttle. You will get 2 shifters, but specifically for the ATC 70. Here's your sprocket cover, some intake gaskets, and this is the electrical side. So I opened it up real quick. You will get a starter relay. It's all plug and play. You will get an ignition with keys. So I don't know if any of you guys with the ATCs have that. You will get a brand new coil, a rectifier. You will get your harness, your main harness, your relays, and the switch that goes to the start button and on-off switch that goes on your handlebars for the electric start. So you will get everything. All you really need to supply is your own throttle, whatever throttle you want, a battery, and that's pretty much it. I mean, that's a 420 sprocket ready to install on either one of our modified frames, which you can see in the background over there, one of our plate frame kits, or a stock ATC 70. One option that I bought, this is an oil cooler kit, which can go on to the 140 motor. It's very nice. This is something that I offer on the website, McNastyCustomz.com. You can put this on your 70, well, I don't know about your 70. You put it on any of the 70 conversions. What you would do is you would take this little plate right here, I believe, and I believe it goes right here. And then it'll go through the braided lines, and it gives you all the fittings and everything you're going to need. This is cheap. This is like 50 or 60 bucks. I don't know. Yeah, there's no part. Oh, there's a part number right here in the box. Here's a part number for you. So we sell this on the website. That can be additionally bought with that kit there. I think if you spend a certain amount of money, they give you a free shirt. I thought that was an option. This is an additional header that I bought for the 190 motor. So we sell these as well. Nice TIG welded stainless steel step up exhaust. Here's where it steps up, comes with a nice flange. And you can run whatever muffler you want on the back. Put that somewhat near the 70 exhaust. So it's for the bigger motors and so on. It's a bigger diameter, obviously a much bigger diameter here. We sell these on the website, the full ATC 70 kits, and we have other motors, obviously. Like I said, this is the big boy. This is the 25 horsepower motor right here. So that's the big boy right there, 190. And then here's a 140 kit motor. We're going to be putting in an ATC 110. That's where that one's going. And then this is not a Piranha motor. So this is a 190 non-Piranha that we sell on our website as well. This one's actually pretty cheap. I believe this is the 2-valve motor. Electric start. And I believe this is only like 899 bucks. And it comes with everything you see here, an intake, everything. This is the frame we're building, the frames we're building. They're extended necks, they're all braced up. It's a McNasty Customz frame, swing arms. We'll sell the shocks. We have extended swing arms we're putting together now. We are designed up and making wheelie bars. So we're making our own wheelie bar, our own frame, our own swing arm, our own axle carriers. And we'll have all of this, McNastyCustomz.com. Guys, go check it out. But this was a successful unboxing of a Piranha ATC 70 140 motor kit. So guys, look us up, McNasty Customz, McNastyCustomz.com, and you can go on there and price out some of the stuff we have. If there's anything else from Piranha that you want, contact us, send us an email, give us a call, because like we said, you buy kits off of us and so on, and we'll give you discounts on the products that we sell. So check us out, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, I never do anything on the phone like this, so sorry if it's not the best video, but this is actually the first cell phone video we've uploaded. So we'll take it from there. And somehow it's so boring. We put this guy to sleep. Brand new kitty. Guys, McNastyCustomz.com.